that we met, I could tell by your smile you hadn't been with a good.
Hi everybody, so I am back with another video, and on today's video I wanted to show you guys how we decorated our kids spa salon for today's event. So basically we've been doing events weekly, and every week we change up the theme, and this is to just bring exposure to my business and bring more people in, different people in, and things like that. But today's video is about art. So basically the theme is called Sprinkly Art Event, and most of the items here we recreated from Pinterest, and we DIY'd last night because we came up with the theme like from one day to another. So basically everything here was made last night. So I wanted to show you guys around, and I'm gonna tell you where I got most of the items. That way if you want to recreate, you can know where to go shop for the stuff. So let me go ahead and show you. The first thing I wanted to show you is this wall right here. So basically it's a backdrop of like our main table. So we kind of created this overnight. They're basically paint buckets, and my sister-in-law got these from Lowe's. They're actually clean and new, and they were empty when she got them. She found them at Lowe's, and then to make it seem like it's paint falling off, like out of it, we put in, these are actually plastic tablecloths. We actually had some rolls of plastic, but the rest of them were actually actual tablecloths from Walmart. So as you can see, they're like plastic, and all we did was like tape them in there and glued them in there so that they could look like they're dripping. The back is just simple white, so it can show off like all these colors. But look how cute that is. It looks so cute. We drilled some little holes, or I actually poked some holes in there, like one side to the other, so that we can wire in some fishing line through there, so that we can hang them and make them look kind of like this. Next one is this a painting brush banner, and all we used was like some, it's like a fishing line as well. We painted the brushes, and these are just a pack of 12 brushes. They were $7.99 from Harbor Freights, and I'll show you the box right now. And all we did was painted them, and then only the front. We don't really need to paint the back, but you can paint both sides and then just create like a banner like this, and it's super simple and cute. We also created this little portrait, and we used the same brushes. We just glued them to the portrait. So that's how it looks like. And then there's this other one. And then we created these goodie bags. So basically it's like a plastic cellophane bag. I put in some goodies, and we wrapped around a little, paper, so it can look like a paintbrush, but it's actually a goodie bag. So this is the pack of brushes that I got from Harbor Freights. So it's 36 brushes, and it was, I believe, $12.99. So these are the ones I used for the goodie bags. So this is how they look. They're 2-inch. They're little. And the other ones are these. These are a pack of 12, and these were $7.99. And these are the 3-inch. Those are the ones we use for the decorations. Let me show you. So you see the difference. This one's 2-inch. A pack of, what did I say, 36 for $12.99. And then these a pack of 12 for $7.99. And they're 3-inch. That's in Harbor Freights. I don't know if you guys have Harbor Freights where you're at, but anywhere like that, maybe in Lowe's, Home Depot, I'm pretty sure they sell something like that. Honestly, all these brushes are from Dollar Tree. There's packages, and for what they're gonna use them for, I think they're pretty good. You don't have to like spend a lot of money. Yeah, you can also find them at Amazon, but I got my ad at Dollar Tree, and this is the big ones. And that's how they look like. I ordered a pack of little aprons from Amazon. There's different packages, either 24 or 12 or something like that, and I ordered these as well from there. I think they were like a pack of three or five for like $5. But I got some more from the dollar store. I don't know if you can see. There was like a pack of 4, so it was much even better for $1 a pack of 3 or 4. So I thought that was a really good deal. We used some of our aprons to decorate the chairs. I don't know if you can see how cute it looks. And then I ordered these little canvas stands from Amazon. It was a pack of 4. I can't remember the price, but I'll link everything down below, as well as these 8x10 canvases. I think it was a pack of 12 for like $24.99, I believe, but I'll check and make sure. But this is how the table looks. How cute are these stands? They're just so cute. My sister-in-law made me this curtain thing out of table runners or tablecloths, plastic ones from Walmart, and it looks so adorable. You can't even tell they're like plastic. And then she made me 2 little balloon sconsoles. I don't know what they're called. And it looks kind of like this, so they can take pictures here. So this is how I set up. As they come in, they're able to choose paint colors. This is like extra stuff, but I actually already have their table set up with what they need: their aprons, their canvases, their brush, their little paint holders, and I already have it ready for them to come in and, you know, start painting. We are also doing, since it's art event, they're able to do an art canvas, painting. They're able to do nail painting, like manicure, and they're able to do face painting. This is the one that I got. Create a face. Comes with all of these stencils. This is another one that I got, but I didn't really like because it's so dry. And these are the colors that they'll use. So I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I will link down below if like you're interested in like the canvases or the stands or the face painting or anything like that. I will link it down below so that you can easily just click and purchase. But this is just like a little small event that we kind of came up with like from one day to another. So all the DIYs are super simple, super easy. We were here like a couple hours trying to put everything up yesterday, but it was so fun, and I've already had people come in. Like I said, it's a small event to just bring people in and have a little bit more of an exposure. So yeah, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I will be making more like these. I will be sharing more of our events coming up. We're gonna have princess, mermaid, we're gonna have Aladdin, we're gonna have unicorn, we're gonna have JoJo. We're gonna have so many, and we have so many ideas to decorate the salon, so maybe it'll help you guys, you know, with your decorations. So stay tuned for that, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
September we met, could tell by your smile you hadn't been with a good